Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Briscoe. Welcome back to the channel. So for the channel I make lifestyle, fashion, travel videos, and right now I'm actually on my way out because we're taking a trip. As I mentioned in the other vlogs, I'm going to be taking a trip. I haven't told you guys yet where, but I guess I can tell you now. I'm going to Mexico. I am going to Mexico. So details coming soon, but I need to leave out now because I'm kind of in a rush.
See, we just started talking, you and I were fucking. Baby, I don't want you, I wanna do. Baby, you can tell I came in by myself. Let's have it written on me like a tattoo. Don't you be mistaken. I don't care if it's wrong or right. Don't you use your imagination. Why you always roll that? What you saying? What you saying? What you saying? Oh, you want my number? Maybe we can talk about it. Just saying. What's your sign? What's your name? Gotta play smarter for me.
Alright guys, forgot to mention that I did spend 48 hours in Atlanta, as to why the timeline kind of look weird. So I left from Atlanta back to Miami, then from Miami to Mexico. So if the timeline kind of look weird, that's why.
Make a slide left turn.
Thank you. Oh Lord. Ready for this? I'm not ready at all. I'm tired already. I'm gonna start. You want to see me like a not. Hello guys. Back at it again. We said back at it again. People, one already. Half a 3 times. I need to stop. 49.
No, let her do the better.
Finish me, this is happening. Mexico, here we come. You supposed to walk. Me not supposed to walk like that.
Ready for sleep, you know.
What a tired of frig.
Richard and investors behind you.
Hello.
Dos personas. Gracias.
You just said 2 persons. Thank you. You just said 2 persons. Thank you, right?
Excelente, good Spanish. Iguanas, zarigüeya, smooth. And cocodrilos. And lions here.
So welcome drinks for you, I'm sorry.
Hi, thank you.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Cheers. Okay. After that, we have a federal tax. This tax is from the government.
Okay. I get to give my mom a tip.
Cappuccino is open from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. every day. Okay, that's where the ice creams, desserts, snacks, coffees, okay?
Alrighty.
Down there at the bottom, we got the spa and the gym 24/7, the spa 8 to 6, but you have to make reservation, okay? This way. The pool's open 24 hours, okay?
Yeah.
The main pool is just downstairs. And the second pool is over on that direction. Actually, your room is facing the brown pool. And that's where we get We got a snack bar down there. Okay. The snack bar open from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day. So right now, in case you want to stop by for a bite, you got the buffet option or the snack bar.
Okay. It is raining.
Oh, yeah. At least we had some exercising. But we need to go.
For walk up incline. So this is the bathroom. Right there. This here, and we have the there. Look, we're back as it's space. As it's space, that's a way to come out in the video. Next. Space. Oh wow. This is nice. You want to introduce yourself to the people?
I'm motherfuckers! Stop. Somewhere. In air.
Handicap.
Okay. Hello world, this is me, Johnny. It's my birthday and we're here in Mexico.
Cancun, Mexico. Party it up, you know, guys. Briscoe, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of the Mexico vlog. So this is going to be like a 7-day, or probably, yeah, it's going to be like a week whole video. So probably going to split the video in 2 or probably 3 because we're going to 2 different hotels. Staying at Haven Riviera right now in Cancun, and then Temptations in Cancun again, but that will be the last 3 days. But yeah, so today's vlog is going to be like a whole trip. We'll go ATV, ride ATV, and then probably go swimming or something like that. Not sure yet, but keep you guys posted. You can know everything will go on. Guys, we just come from the ATV. And Jody crashed.
Like a bitch.
When I time I couldn't breathe. Jody gripped me around with me and said, "Oh, I can't breathe, yo."
I cried like a bitch people, like a big bitch. And I never do it again.
Never get the camera because more than water and everything, but we're going to Cenote now, and we're going to drink tequila. Tequila tasting, and then Cenote. Tequila.
No, amigos, this is the tequila silver. The silver tequila, sir. Reserva Palacios from Jalisco. Okay, amigos. Okay, chicos. Give me your glass. But before to do this, amigos, we have to say the magic words. The magic words say, Arriba.
Arriba.
Abajo.
Abajo.
Al centro.
Al centro.
Pa' dentro.
Pa' dentro.
Everybody with me, chicos. Everybody say.
Arriba.
Abajo.
Abajo.
Al centro.
Al centro.
Pa' dentro.
Pa' dentro.
Espere. Sualo, salud. Go for it.
It's not bad.
Feel it.
Johnny, that's smooth. That's soft, yo. That's so soft.
Perfecto, amigos. We continue.
Sir, I'm Jamaican. I drink 70% rum. This shit just come like water. That shit was water. That's my favorite. Let me not go first after this.
Tequila Gold. Reposado, we make delicious margaritas. It's a 40% alcohol, amigos. And we call Tequila Gold. Thank you very much.
Guys, we're in if you're stronger. After 10 stronger. No cap.
Everybody say salud.
Salud.
Go for it.
Smell.
Very delicious, guys. Tastes good though. Tequila, the boss. Shot.
Chica capicha?
Español?
Yeah.
No? Arriba.
Arriba.
Abajo.
Abajo.
Al centro.
Al centro.
Adentro.
Adentro.
Salud.
Salud.
Smell.
Drink it, amigos. Which one is your favorite, guys? Silver, gold?
Second one.
Amigos, wake up, guys.
Salud. Hey.
Drink it. Yo. Go for it.
Sweet.
Down behind.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Tequila with coffee.
Salud.
Drink it. Let's go. Yes, amigos, let's go. La Mayan aphrodisiac liquor. The Mayans make that liquor when they married a Chichen Itza with full moon.
I feel this shit now.
To say, arriba,
Arriba.
abajo,
Abajo.
al centro,
Al centro.
sexy movimiento. Arriba,
Arriba.
abajo,
Abajo.
al centro,
Al centro.
sexy movimiento. What a beautiful time, guys.
The trick was to get us drunk.
Oh, you're kidding me. Where's Jay? Thank you. I love you. I'm gonna call you back later.
If you need help and you're feeling you're drowning and you don't remember us name or name with Papi Chulo is enough, okay? Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Oh Lord.
No, sir.
Hey, let go. My man.
Yeah, you? Jesus Christ.
Go to the last step.
She's recording.
The last one.
Yeah, it's recording.
The last one, puppy.
Watch out.
You have one more. Okay, spread your legs. Little squat and lean back. Don't jump. Lean back. Let go.
You can jump, but remember, feet together and
¿Tenía una
like a
gorra?
soldier.
¿No tenía una gorra?
Alright guys, so you know the vibe already, all about the food, the taco. I say I come for the taco. I say I come for. So you have the beef taco, fish taco. What is pork? What is?
Fish taco.
And pork taco. So yeah. Alright guys, so after a long day of excursion and food long day of excursion and food, we're exhausted. I'm gonna try to focus right now, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. But this is a serious outro now. It's your boy Briscoe. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. I really appreciate it. Subscribe. That's all I can say. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Countryside, I do the lurch, countryside, I do